Wa la doo 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 wobbly what? Tidy up, everyone. Tidy up, let's have fun. Pick up toys from the floor today. Put them all away. Tidy up, one by one. Blocks and cars are lots of fun. Put them gently in the box. Everything goes there. Tidy up, look around. Books are waiting on the ground. Place them neatly on the shelf so they're easy to be found. Tidy up, clap your hands. Now the room looks clean and grand. All the toys are put away. What